When I started creating drone videos, I thought visuals were everything, and that it's okay that drone clips don't have any audio, until I heard my first scene with the right sound. And then it started. I used to spend hours looking for the right whoosh, wind or ambient sound. Now today Adobe Firefly generates sound effects with AI. Just describe what you need, like slow cinematic rise or coastal wind rush. And Adobe Firefly creates it in seconds. Even cooler, you can use your voice or audio input to shape how the sound builds. And Adobe Firefly turns it into a real dynamic sound. It finally brings life to footage that used to feel silent. I'm teaming up with Adobe to show how Adobe Firefly is changing the way for creators like us. Grab some silent clips and try the new sound effects AI. Comment Firefly and I'll send you the link.